Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another tutorial video on how to geek, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can permanently delete a Facebook page. So if you had earlier created a page on Facebook through your Facebook account but now want to delete that Facebook page, this is what you need to do. For this, first of all, head over to your Facebook app and then make sure that you're already logged into your account. If you're already logged in, you will land on your newsfeed interface, and then you can see that on the bottom right corner there are 3 horizontal lines tagged as menu. Tap on the menu icon, and there, as you scroll downwards, you'll be able to see pages. Tap on pages. When you tap on pages, you'll see an option that says pages you manage. Under that, you can see all the pages that you manage currently. Here, currently I manage one particular page, so it's only displaying one page. Now, when I tap on the page, I'll be able to see different activities on my page. There you can see that on the upper right hand side section, there's a settings icon. You can tap on the settings icon, or you can scroll through this and then tap on the more button. You can do whatever it is that makes it easier for you. After going here, you can tap on settings, and then you'll be basically displayed the same page, and then tap on the general option. After you tap on the general option, scroll downwards until you see an option that says remove page. So here, tap on permanently delete the page. And now you'll have to confirm that you want to delete the page. So here it says that once you delete a page, you will not be able to get it back. So if you're 100% sure of this page deletion, tap on delete page. And then here it says your page has been deleted permanently. Tap on OK. And now when you go back to pages, you'll be able to see that there are no pages that you manage currently because you've already deleted the page. So this is basically how it works. It's quite a simple process, and I hope that this video has been able to guide you through it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell notification so that you do not miss out on any of our future tutorial videos.